Hello, this is a demo about unbreaking your system to support Clavis and Tang properly for the root file system and for other file systems. Let's start with a regular file system here. It's mounted somewhere, it's encrypted, and now we want to add a Clavis and Tang key to it. Cockpit can do that for some time already. And here's the server. Now, if you press add, you can see that Cockpit does some extra stuff to set up the system to actually so that Clavis can actually work. There's some more extensive operations necessary, so you will be prompted for it. A new package must be installed that is not installed by default, and this button will do it. And then you get the key, and you should compare the fingerprint like normal. Maybe this should come first and the fixing afterwards. Well, okay, let's add the key. Takes a while. Okay, that was a regular file system, and if you would reboot now, then it would get the key from the server and unlock it automatically. The root file system works the same, but it needs different parts of the system to be fixed. And this is not really the root file system, this is just for the demo, and I've changed the code to recognize this as if it was the root file system. That makes it just easier to develop the code. But of course, we have proper integration tests. Oh, there's already one. I'll remove it. And let's now add the key again. The same procedures for the regular file system. And now it will do different checks. It goes to the init RDE, and there's Dracode involved, as you might expect for root file system. And here's more stuff to be done. A different package must be installed, and the init RDE needs to be regenerated. And let's do it. This will also take some time. And yeah, but that's the basic idea. Every time you add a Clavis and Tang key, Cockpit will check your system for properly enabled support, and it will help you fix it up so that Clavis will actually work. I think that most of that should not be necessary and should just work out of the box. All the systemd units should be enabled, and also the packages should be installed by default, etc. But yeah, why not? Let's fix it here. If everything is all right, then this dialog will not appear. And if we wait for the init RD to be regenerated, we can maybe check that. Could have done it earlier, but let's wait. I think I'm too lazy to cut this out from the demo, so we have to wait now. That's how long it takes. There's no information about progress, so I don't think we can show any progress bar here. Canceling will work. Yeah, maybe I do that here. Let's cancel. Okay, that's a bug. Then this should, of course, not appear, this dialog. Let's cancel this as well. Yeah, maybe we should have a way to skip this fixing even. I don't know. Oh, wow, now we have two here. Let's add another one. And now it should go straight to this dialog. Let's remove this. Okay. And I guess, let's see what happens here. Okay, everything good. It has apparently finished in the background fine. Yeah. Yeah, that's it. So open issues are maybe the order of things in the dialog and the bug that if you cancel one dialog in the middle, then the last one should not come. And then maybe we could have a skip button even. So if people really don't want to fix their system or it is not possible for some reason, then they can still add a key if they know what they're doing. Or maybe not. Maybe then Cockpit is not for them and they need to do it somewhere else. Okay, that's it. Thanks a lot.